Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Volkswagen Jetta with a key. First, insert your key completely into the ignition cylinder. Make sure your Jetta's transmission is securely in either park or neutral. Then, turn the key clockwise to the start position and hold it there briefly. The engine should crank and start. Once the engine is running, release the key and it will spring back to the run position. This is the standard procedure for a smooth start. If your Jetta doesn't start immediately, don't panic. First, try wiggling the steering wheel while turning the key. Sometimes the steering lock can prevent ignition. Next, confirm your battery isn't dead. A weak battery often results in slow cranking or no sound at all. Also, for some automatic models, you must fully depress the brake pedal before the car will allow you to start it. These simple checks can often resolve common starting problems quickly. Your Volkswagen Jetta is equipped with an immobilizer system, a security feature designed to prevent theft. This system recognizes only authorized keys. If an unauthorized key is used, the engine will not start, and you might see a specific warning light on your dashboard, often a car symbol with a key. If you suspect an immobilizer issue, try using a different authorized key. Sometimes, a faulty key chip is the culprit, not the car itself. When starting your Jetta, avoid cranking the engine for more than 10 seconds at a time to prevent damage to the starter motor. If it doesn't start, wait about 30 seconds before trying again to allow the starter to cool down. If you're still having trouble, it might be time to consult a mechanic for a diagnostic check. Also, for those looking to improve their financial knowledge, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. It could truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.